want to hit that pan on items, but just as easily as focusing on hitting pan, you can also hit goals. This is my Go for the Goal project. Update 2. Hi, how is everybody? If you're new here, hi, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the family. My name is Rose. I'm a girl boss on a budget who loves to save money and project pan. Today's video is my 2-month update in my Go for the Goal project pan. This is a PANtastic ladies collab. I will be sure to link them down below like I always do. The goal for Go for the Goal is you pick 4 to 6 items from your collection and you set any type of goal that you want on those items, whether it be to hit pan or to wear the embossing off or to use it to a certain level. This is more like kind of laid back and more beginner friendly type of a project pan. It is a 1-year rolling project. My start date on this is September 14th of 2019. So I am debating, it just depends on how and what things happen in the new year for me, because debating on if I will continue doing this project for a year from the day I started, which was September, or if I will just cancel out this project altogether. But I really do like it because it is more laid back and gives you a chance to just kind of set a goal on an item and use it until you reach that goal. It could be a very minimal goal. It could be a very aggressive goal. It's just basically whatever you want. I have been enjoying this project very much. So this is my 2-month update. So let's just hop right in, you guys. I want to show you the progress that I have made on my products, starting with my BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali palette. I hit my goal on this, and the goal was to hit pan on the middle shade right there called Sunkissed. And as you can see, there is that pan. Boy, look at that pan. Look at that pan. It is so exciting to me, you guys. You know, because I am relatively new to project panning. I've been project panning for about 2.5 months now, and I think we all can agree that that feeling when you hit pan on an item is just like any other. It is incredible. I really love it. So I am very excited about that. Since I reached my goal on this, I will be able to roll this out and pick something else, which I have already done. And I went with another highlighter, just keeping it along the same themes because I don't really have any other hard pressed highlighters in any other projects. So this one I'll just kind of keep it very mild, very laid back. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Rose Gold. Very pretty highlight. And I set the goal on this to wear the embossing off. So as you can see, I mean, it's really hard to tell on camera, you guys, but I have been working on this because I hit pan on my BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali highlight shade on November 5th, and it is now November 12th. So it's been a week and I rolled this in right away to start working on it. I would like to just get the embossing wore off of this, and I have a nice start on it, but I still got a ways to go. Next item is my Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Bare. This is so old, you guys, that the labeling is completely worn off. This was replaced my Super Shock shadow in this shade Set to Sun from my last month's update. My goal for this was to finish it because I have already taken the stopper out. It is so close to being done, you guys. I just want to get it finished up. I mean, I am literally to the point where I am scraping the sides, as you can see. I mean, I could probably call this done right now, actually, because I am so close to being done with it. I mean, realistically, this is done, you guys. So what I'm going to do is, I mean, I'm scraping the sides. The wand, as you can see, there isn't much left on the wand. Even when I rolled it in last month, it was real gobby and there was, you know, a bunch on the sides. And I wish I could show you guys inside. You can kind of see right there all the way to the bottom. This is finished. I am calling this done right now. I have scraped it and gotten every dang near last little particle that I could get out of this. So with that being said, I get to now pick another item. So let me go find something else to take its place and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, and what I decided to go with this time is my Persona lip gloss in the shade Coral. Granted, it is the dead of winter, but I think that's why I want to put this into a project, because of how absolutely gorgeous this lip gloss is. Persona has incredible lip gloss formula. Look how pretty that is, you guys. So I am just going to mark this right now and set a very mild goal on this one. And I've learned from prior project pans that, you know, other lip products that I've been working on to not be so aggressive, because it takes such a long time to use up makeup, you guys. So I'm going to set a more realistic goal on this right now, and let me just mark it. Okay, so I marked it to right there. Nothing too crazy, nothing too aggressive, just to get it going and get a nice start on this lip gloss in general. And when I hit that goal, you know, if I want to move it down more, I will. But for now, I'm just going to get it going and get a good, you know, get a nice head start on this Persona Coral lip gloss, because it is a really nice lip gloss. It is perfect for the summertime, and hopefully it will settle down, you know, upon using it, and I will be able to see visibly inside the tube when it hits there to show you guys on my next updates. Okay, and my next 3 products are my LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Cafe. And I set a goal to use it to that line right there. I am so close, but still yet so far away. I will insert photos to show you guys the progress from last month. So as you can see, there is, I mean, a little bit, but not a whole lot of drastic progress. But it's still progress, and slowly but surely I am getting to that goal. Next is my Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the shade Bare Affair, and I set a goal on this to, I nicked it right here. It's going to be really hard to show you, but you can kind of see it. If I zoom in when I edit, you will be able to see the nick right there, and I am getting very close to it. Hopefully by the next update, I will have gotten it to that nick, but it is a very light shade, especially now that I'm getting more pale and more fair because my tan is fading. This looked really nice on me in the summer with a nice tan, but it just makes me look dead now. So I kind of got to mix it with other lipsticks. Okay, and then my last project for Go For The Goal is my No Pore Problem primer, you guys. This primer, I do not like this primer, and I just want to hit my goal on it. As you can see, I mean, the progress is right here all the way around, even though when you get over here to the other side where the line is, it's looking like it's higher up, but it's just the jar. I am right here all the way around, so I am so close from hitting the goal. I'm right there, so close yet so far away on this. I'm just not a fan of it. It's too silicone-y for my liking. It's too like greasy and slippery. For personal preference, I prefer like a luminizing primer. I just don't like the real greasy, oily kind like that. And what I did for my look is It's very pretty. I've been having to use a lot of reds and blues lately because I have this bright blue in my Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette that was randomly chosen for me for my project called Pan the Way. I will be sure to link it in the cards for you guys. Feel free to go check it out. But I got chosen this shade right here called Punky. So again, I did another bright blue look today, and I did the same as I did the other day. Just blew this all over my lid, and then I darkened up the outer V with the purple shade right here. Then I used a little bit of the shade Dazzle, and I just kind of pressed it on right here, and or kind of the outer V a little bit right where it meets the purple shade, which is called Pop Rocks. But it is a really pretty palette, and blue looks very pretty. It is wintertime, icy blue, you know. So yeah, I am bound and determined to make sure I can hit pan on that blue shade. I do have a dip in it, but it's very hard to show you guys on camera. But what do you guys think? That is basically everything, you guys. I just wanted to hop on here and do my 2-month update for Go for the Goal. If you would like to join in on this, feel free to go click on the link in the description box for the PANtastic ladies. They are over on Facebook, and to enter the group, all you have to do is answer 3 questions and they will welcome you in, because it is a PANtastic ladies collab, but it is such a great project. Like I said, it is ideal for people who are just beginning and just starting off on project panning to just set any type of achievable goal on products. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. I am doing so well at steadily but surely growing. I've almost made it to 300 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. I originally started YouTubing just to kind of record my journey on my project panning and my low buy, and I am so grateful for all of you who have joined along and are following me on my journey. I would love to have you, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And until the next video, you guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.